What's up guys, it's Jacob here. Welcome to the official Visidea tutorial series. In today's video, we'll show you how to integrate your Magento website with Visidea. Open Add Website in the Visidea app, choose Magento in the drop-down menu, and click the button By Module. Click Add to Cart. Complete the purchase. Open the SSH terminal and cd the root of your Magento store. You can find all the commands on our documentation website, docs.visidea.ai. Clicking on Documentation, Plugins, Magento. Install the module from the command line using Composer. You have to choose the last version available on the install page in Magento Marketplace. Composer require inferendo, /module Visidea, the last available version of Visidea. Enable the module. Upgrade the database. Clean the Magento cache. Run the compiler. Deploy static view files. Open the module configuration in Store. Settings. Configuration. And open Visidea Settings. Click the link Integrate with Visidea. Choose the category of your products and click Connect. And that's it. In a couple of hours the recommendations will be displayed on your website. You can configure where and what recommendations you want to display, but this topic is covered in another video. Thanks for watching.